Hello everyone. March is not just about St. Patrick's Day and Women's History Month. In fact, there are several lesser-known holidays that offer unique opportunities to sell shirts. Today we'll be exploring 10 such holidays, their history, and some design ideas to help you create shirts with less competition that sell. Number 1. National Ghostwriters Week. Many famous authors use ghostwriters to write their books. National Ghostwriters Week, celebrated from March 1st to the 7th, honors the talented writers who work behind the scenes. Although it is the same week as I am making this video and too late, you can target generic ghostwriter shirts that will sell all year long. You can apply this to most of the niches I will discuss today. Number 2. Hearing Awareness Week. Like number 1, Hearing Awareness Week is also from March 1st to the 7th. It raises awareness about hearing loss and the importance of protecting your ears. You could design shirts with slogans like, "Please speak louder," or funny designs like, "I put my hearing aid on for this." Number 3. Yap Day. Micronesia is a subregion of Oceania consisting of thousands of small islands scattered across the western Pacific Ocean. Consider designing shirts with the traditional Yapese patterns or symbols. You can also find other islands and design shirts for those. Number 4. National Anthem and Flag Day in Aruba. This is another island. On March 18th, Aruba celebrates National Anthem and Flag Day. This day marks the adoption of the national anthem and flag in 1976. Design shirts about Aruba with the national flag or use the national anthem in your designs. Apply this to other countries and make more evergreen shirts. 5. National Sloppy Joe Day. Who doesn't love a good Sloppy Joe? March 18th is National Sloppy Joe Day, and it's the perfect opportunity to create food-themed shirt designs. Think of slogans like, "I know how you like 'em sloppy." These nutrition fact shirts are also popular, but you need a fresh angle to stand out. This one has done that by adding a graphic to the design. Number 6. Macaron Day. Macaron Day, celebrated on March 20th, is a sweet holiday that honors the French pastry. You could design shirts with the macaron illustrations or phrases like this funny, "Stop staring at my macarons" is a constant seller. 7. Ramadan. Ramadan is a month-long holiday that begins on March 22nd this year. It is a time of fasting, prayer, and reflection for Muslims around the world. This one is actually a large holiday but may be lesser known for some as a t-shirt holiday. You could design shirts with Arabic calligraphy or inspirational quotes from the Quran. Ramadan has over 4,000 search results, making it a high competition niche. Scroll through the results and look up phrases related to it that could have demand with less competition. I found the phrase "Happy Ramadan." This funny llama design has only 7 results and has some listings with BSR scores, showing that there is demand for this. This would be worth designing for. You can flood the niche by making multiple designs and having a good chance of someone seeing your design. 8. Holi. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is a Hindu holiday celebrated on March 8th. It is a joyous occasion when people traditionally smear colored powder on each other's faces and also throw colored water at each other. Design shirts with colorful patterns or matching shirts for your Holi crew to wear. Also use colored hands to represent the powder smearing as the graphic. 9. Purim. Purim is a Jewish holiday that is celebrated on March 6th through 7th this year with costumes, food, and other traditions. Design shirts with symbols like the Purim mask and the 𝗏𝗏 cookies that are eaten during this holiday. And number 10. World Water Day. World Water Day is observed on March 22nd every year to raise awareness about the importance of fresh water and water resources. You could design shirts with slogans like "Save Water" or "Every Drop Counts." You can also niche out and design shirts with phrases like "Save water, drink tequila," and scale it out by switching tequila with other drinks. If you're looking to design shirts for specific holidays or dates, targeting niches can be a great strategy. However, keep in mind that these niches may not sell well year-round. Many of the niches mentioned in this video can be turned into evergreen designs that sell consistently throughout the year. As you research and design, it is important to learn about the history and background of each niche to create relevant and appealing designs that are more likely to result in sales. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.